Hi guys! Welcome back to the vlog. Anyways, ito na yung final part ng Philippines trip namin. It took 4 vlogs and I'm so sorry kung medyo sawa na kayo kasi medyo old na rin tong mga vlogs na to dahil nga May pa to May pa to. So anyways, after kami bumalik kami ng Cebu kasi yung flight namin from Cebu or from the Philippines to Canada is from Manila kasi dun yung last stop namin. So ayun, pumunta kami ng Cebu for 1 day, nagstay kami doon overnight para lang makapagbutanding kami ng morning of the flight to go to Manila, and then yung Manila flight namin is like a red eye, so it's very late at night. So we still got to do the butanding, and then we still got to go to the market to buy some pasalubongs and stuff. But anyways, yung butanding namin ang funny. Kasi nung pagdating namin doon, tinanong kami if we wanted to rent a GoPro for the butanding experience. Tapos sabi namin, no, it's okay. Kasi nga may phone kami. And we were so confident with this iPhone that we were like, no, we don't need it. We got it. Anyways, moral of the story is that we should have just rented it because we did not get any like legit, or not legit, pero we did not get any good memories from this iPhone. Well, we have some, pero at least may mga onting clips kami from the butanding experience na masasabi namin nagawa namin yun, ay maaalala namin nagawa namin yun. So that's it. Anyways, yeah, ito yung clips ng butanding namin. Nasaan yung
So nice.
Sir, ano sir? Sige, ka sir?
Nana?
Tagalog ka?
Tagalog.
Bapak na.
Oo.
Alright, so did you enjoy that? Kasi medyo magulo, diba? Like, super gulo. Yeah. after nun, so overnight nga yung ano namin, well, not overnight, pero ano siya, red eye flight siya to Manila. Tapos ano na kami to Manila. Ang ginawa lang namin to Manila is we made sure to visit my lolo sa grave niya. And then, we also had a play to watch, yung Brugodoy Stoy Sugadun Stun. I don't know, I'm probably not saying that correctly. Pero yun, we made sure to watch that also because I think they were on the last leg of like their shows, and it was something that I wanted to watch. And you know, Kat and I, we like to watch musicals or like just theater stuff. So we made sure to watch that. And then also we have a mini house tour ng childhood home na kinalakihan namin ni ate. And this is not our house. This is my grandma's house, which, you know, it's a family house, but we don't want to claim it because it's still my grandma's house. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy it. And yeah, and just like a last note to all the people that's watching this, thank you so much for watching this. And I really hope that you enjoyed it. Just as much as we love to see our memories from the Philippines. And also the people who we spent time with in the Philippines, thank you so much for giving us the time and the effort to come see us and hang out with us. Lalo na sa family ni Kat, sa friends ni ate na si Donita and JM. They even came like on their last night to visit us. And of course to my family also, si Tito Mel, Tita Lynn, and Kuya Marvin, who we saw when we were in Quezon City. So yeah, thank you all so much for giving us the time and welcoming us to, you know, home. And yeah, we hope to see you guys all soon. But anyways, that's it. We just wanted to say thank you to all the people who are watching and to all the people we spent time with in the Philippines, and to all those that we didn't get to see in the Philippines because we were there for such a short time. We will see you next time we come. I hope that it's soon. But anyways, yeah, that's it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Kailangan 3 hours ba ang ano? Ang ilang oras bago sa sana?
Entrance.
Ay. Tito Mel.
Kaya tayo. Sino yan?
I love you.
Our Lady of Our Lady of Annunciation.
Masikip na yun.
Adventure, masikip din yun.
ACS Manufacturing Corporation.
Is this mine?
That's my wife.